Did you know that AI can generate code for you? Tools like GitHub Copilot are already helping over 10 million developers write better code with less effort. Compare this to traditional coding. Instead of manually writing lines of code, AI can predict what you need and suggest improvements based on patterns it has learned. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your coding style. Ever wondered if AI could write your code? It can. Tools like GitHub Copilot suggest code as you type, making development faster and more efficient. There's a common myth that AI will replace software engineers. But the truth is, while AI can automate some tasks, it enhances our ability to solve complex problems. Think of traditional code writing like handcrafting a piece of furniture. Each line is meticulously crafted and placed. AI-generated code, on the other hand, is like using a 3D printer to create the same piece. It's faster and can be more precise. Here's a fun fact. AI can write code in over 30 programming languages. Whether you need Python, JavaScript, or any other language, AI can handle it all. Think of AI as your go-to helper in the coding world, ready to assist at every step. AI takes on multiple roles within a development team, enhancing efficiency and quality. From early tools to becoming a staple in development, AI has come a long way. Think of AI as a code whisperer, guiding you with its suggestions. It's like having a smart code developer whispering the perfect lines of code right into your ear. AI plays multiple roles in development teams, from generating code to optimizing performance. Each role contributes to a more efficient and effective coding process. Here's a visual breakdown of the AI code review process, from analyzing your code to suggesting and implementing changes. It's a seamless workflow that enhances efficiency. AI brings a host of benefits to software development, from faster code generation to cost savings. Each benefit contributes to a more efficient and effective development process. Think of it this way. Just as an artist uses a brush to enhance their painting, developers use AI to enhance their coding process. Here's a chart showing the growth of AI in software development over the last decade. Can you spot any patterns? The number of developers using AI tools like GitHub Copilot has grown exponentially.